I'm gonna be explaining to you how to use Notepad to do your evil whatever plans with your bash file. Okay, so here I'll just make this to you very simple. Okay, well, in this case, I press start and I just press a Notepad because I have it. In this case, if you don't have it, you go to all programs and you go to, okay, hold on, over here, and then you go to accessories, and then you go to Notepad. Okay, and as you can see, this is what it is. Now I'm gonna be showing you some very easy commands, okay, just for beginners. This isn't gonna be like a super huge deal, just a few tips. Get used to it. You might want to change the font to make sure that it's not confusing, because I remember I couldn't tell the difference between a capital Y and a lowercase y, so you might want to change it or whatever you want different. I don't know, right? So in this case, as you may know, every command, not every command, but every like most of the batch files have the starting out point, which is echo off. Alright, I've seen people put a space between at and echo. It's fine. It's totally okay. You don't need to worry about it. But I just do like this because it's faster. Anyways, another thing you will have to get used to is pressing enter, because as you type commands, you press enter, 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 and so on. Okay. Now let's make this. This is just going to be a very easy type of thing. It's not going to be anything advanced yet. Okay, now let's type in start. Well, let's just say notepad. Okay, .exe. Okay, now the start command. When you have it, right after the word start, you gotta put some kind of like a whatever application you want it to open. If it's like Camtasia Studio, which is what I have, then it has to be start.exe. As you can see, there's my Camtasia Studio, but either to be start Camtasia Studio.exe or something like that. You know, in this case, it has to be notepad.exe. There are other ways to write it, like start notepad. That seems to work too, or I think it works, but I recommend just putting like this. If it's a .txt file, I suggest you try and type in .txt, which is like this. But in this case, it's just gonna be .exe. Okay. Now, another thing we're gonna learn is the thing called pause. All right. What is pause? Pause is what makes it say, press any key to continue. Alright, as you can see, and then you press a key, and it, if there is nothing else after your pause, then it just closes by itself. Right. So in this case, it's just gonna close by itself unless you want to add more stuff. Okay, this is just a very simple type of quick thing just for some people to learn. I'm gonna try and keep my video limit down. I don't want it to be like 10 minutes, you know. So you have to be like this. All right, pause, and what you do is you press on file, save as, and you save it as, well, whatever you want to save it as. In this case, go to your desktop to make sure. Just keep pressing on this button, and it should say desktop. Now, all you do is type in a file name, like an example. I don't know, test or product. I don't know. It doesn't matter at all. It can be any name. In this case, I'll just do this, any name, and when you save it, do it as .bat. BAT is a shortcut for batch, and this is basically a batch file. Now you press on save, and here, let's close this, and as you can see, now it is right down here. Let's put it more up here. Alright, so now there we have our bash file. Okay, now once we open it, as you can see, it opens up a new notepad, and it says press any key to continue. Once you press the key, it closes, and as you can see, now you have this untitled notepad type of thing. Now you can do this as many times as you want. There's even a thing where you can keep doing start notepad.exe, and I don't know, paste it maybe about 20 times or something like that. And this is a good example. Oops, I kind of messed up this part. I pasted it wrong. Now expect to always make mistakes. It's not anything different. But anyways, now press pause. Okay, if you don't want pause, then what will happen once you open your program? It will open up the start, and then it will just automatically close. The way that it's gonna look like is this. It'll just start, and then it'll just close by itself and open up like 8 whatever. Okay, and that's it. It actually opened up 7. Oops, where is it? 7 different windows. Hold on. Over here. As you can see, down here, 7. Just press on close group. A lot of people don't even know that. Anyways, so this is basically the end. This is just a first type of tutorial kind of thing. So just try and just watch my videos if you want to learn more stuff. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye.